Roaring Run is a popular tourist attraction due to a series of impressive waterfalls. It is also a trout stream. There's a large parking lot and trail that follows the stream. This portion of the stream is stocked in the spring. By October, the stocked fish had been mostly harvested, but we were still able to catch a few wild brook trout.
Yes.
Upstream of the third footbridge, Roaring Run requires artificial flies and lures with a 16-inch minimum size limit. I am a little skeptical if the brown and rainbow trout actually get that large here. However, with all of this wonderful scenery, I don't think it would be right to complain about the size of the fish.